In grade 9s, it's your 7th lesson of factorization. It's the concluding video of factorization, the concluding session of factorization. In this session, what we're going to learn is we have to simplify the expression by factorizing, and then you cancel things off. Okay, so in these questions, you have to factorize by using any of the factorization methods I've taught you. It'll create brackets, and the brackets will cancel the just of the exercise. Right, one last piece. Please, you cannot cross-cancel. In the second example I'll show you, but you cannot cross-cancel over additional subtractions, and you're all going to do that and get the questions wrong. Right, so let's begin. Giving you 2 questions and then a whole exercise. So let's have a look. So in grade 8, you were taught whenever I have this, I break the numerator over the denominator. So in grade 8, you were taught to do this, 2x over 2 minus 8 over 2. You were taught to do that. Now I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to factorize this. So if I factorize this, what do I pull out? I pull out a common 2. With the 2x minus 4. And it's all over 2. Check myself, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then I cancel this 2 with this 2. And so my answer is x minus 4. It can be in the brackets or not in the brackets, it's fine. So if you keep in the brackets like that, or if you leave it like this, x minus 4, you'll get both of them right. Or whichever one you put right. Okay, I could not cancel this 2 with that 2 there because of this subtraction sign. You had to put it into a bracket first, so now the subtraction sign sits inside a bracket and it's all multiplying each other, then I can cross cancel. So let's look at this example. Okay, so what I mean by not cross cancelling, because some of you are going to say, sir, can't this, this x squared and this x squared cancel? No, because of these addition and subtraction signs. You can't cross cancel that x squared. So I have to factorize this first. Okay, and then I've got a division. Remember what to do in term 1. You're all crying about this question. What happens when I divide? I change it to a multiplication and I invert it. Okay, so let's begin. So what do I do over here? It's a trinomial. But before I do trinomial, what do? Pull out a highest common factor. So I pull out a 6 and I'm left with x squared plus 3x minus 10 over, what do I pull out over here? I pull out a highest common factor of 8x. Pull out the 8x, and what am I left with? X plus 5. Okay, now over here, and I check myself, sorry for those of you who are a little bit lazy and not studying hard enough, 8x times that gives me 8x squared, and 8x times that gives me 40x. Times, and now it's inverted, so it's 8x. And what I hope to help the kids, put this in bracket as well. Even though it wasn't in a bracket, put it in a bracket. Now here's the trick. There's going to be an x minus 2 somewhere, normally, and there's going to be an x plus 5 in a bracket somewhere, and they're going to cancel. Let me prove it to you. 6, factorize a trinomial. How do I factorize a trinomial? It leaves me with 2 brackets, remember? X and x, the factors of 10 they can give me to 3, it's 5 and 2. And then it's a plus 3, so it has to be plus 5 minus 2. All over 8x, x plus 5. There we go, there's the x plus 5. And there's the x plus 5. Times, here's the 8x over x minus 2. So, let me just get some highlighters here. Do you see that this and this will cancel? Do you see, first of all, that all the addition and subtraction signs are in brackets? Do you see that? Hope you do. And do you see that? That and that will cancel? And that cross-canceling. So let's cross-cancel. So that will cancel with that. That will cancel with that, and that cancels with that. And so my final answer is left with 6. Okay, so the way you simplify these is you get them all, you simplify them out of a highest common factor, difference of 2 squares, common brackets, grouping pairs, or trinomials. Once you have that in brackets, you will find that most of the brackets will cancel. This is the most difficult of all the factorization questions. So one of them are normally straight, some of them, if I make a test for you, one of them will be straightforward where everything cancels. It's like a joyride, just cancel, 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 cancel. Most of you kids mess up, you think everything cancels. And then there's normally one that's hard, where you are left with maybe 2 brackets below and 1 bracket in the top. And altogether you have 8 brackets all over. Okay? So I've given you an exercise. Do the exercise. I'll still post. I know you've got your timetables now. Given to you guys on Teams. I'll still post answers by 12 in the new Teams folder for all my grade 9s. Okay. Thank you. And God bless. And lastly, there is a test, a mock test for Wednesday. You will see all of you. So doing a products and a factors. And this is going to teach you. There's going to be one question to do products. What's products? It's term 1. Times out the brackets. Multiply the brackets out. And then the second part of the question is going to be factorize what you've just done. Okay, so try not cheat. Do it. And then I'll put the memo, mark it, and let's see what you guys can get. Thank you. God bless.